Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Simrat Russom. You are?
I'm Robiel.
Robiel. Today, I'm going to be teaching my husband how to order foods and drinks in Tigrinya. So, are you excited?
I'm very excited.
All right, let's get started.
I'm hungry too.
Okay. All right, you guys. So, today, I'm going to be teaching Robiel and you guys, when you go to a Habesha restaurant, how to order food. I'm gonna teach you guys a waiter and a waitress to get their attention, basically. So Asel Lafi is for a guy waiter, and Asel Lafit will be for female. So you wanna be able to remember that there is two different things of how you say it for male and female.
So Asel Lafi
is
for male.
For male.
Asel Lafit for female.
Exactly.
Okay,
yeah.
So if you're my waitress, I would say Asel Lafit. Asel Lafit.
Yes.
Okay.
And which is good. Sometimes they do this back. You've seen it back home,
no,
but don't do that here, right? So be respectful. But back home is normal. That's how you get attention to someone. So anyways, that's how you say
Asel Lafit.
Asel Lafi.
Asel Lafit.
So now I'm gonna teach you how to, ask a waiter to recommend something. So my recommendation as your waiter, I would say Izzy. Yehesheka. Like that means I'm recommending you coffee or tea.
Izzy.
Yehesheka.
Yehesheka.
So then for female, you would say Izzy Hesheki.
Izzy Yehesheki.
Yes.
Izzy Yehesheki or Izzy
Yehesheka.
Yehesheka.
Exactly.
Izzy Yehesheki. Izzy Yehesheka.
Exactly.
Uh-huh.
So it's like
That's I recommend.
I recommend.
So
yes.
what if you want to say I recommend boon or I recommend coffee?
Izzy.
How do you say that?
Izzy Boon Yehesheka.
Okay. Izzy boon Yehesheka. Or
Izzy
my Yehesheka.
Exactly.
Izzy Shahi
Yehesheka.
Yehesheka.
So for you, it would be ka, right? For me, what would it be?
Izzy boon Yehesheki.
Perfect. Yes. Go with Nufer.
Did you say you're welcome?
I say no.
Oh.
Go with.
Because I didn't say thank you. Yeah, anile. Okay.
Oh my gosh. Okay.
So what's food?
So food is megbi.
Megbi.
Yeah.
Food megbi.
So it's general, right? Food. So
Megbi.
megbi.
Okay.
And then chicken, it's called darho.
Dadho. Dadho.
Darho. Chicken is called darho.
Dadho. That's easy.
Beef, it's called be'rai, or siga is meat, right? Be'rai. Siga be'rai, siga darho. So
Okay. So chicken meat or beef meat?
exactly. Yes.
So siga beharai.
Yes.
Is beef.
Yes.
Siga beharai.
Is
Beef.
perfect. Yep.
Siga dehero.
Darho.
Dadho
Yes.
is chicken.
Yeah.
Siga.
Siga.
And siga is general meat.
Meat. It could be any meat, and then you just say the type of meat you're gonna have,
Okay.
right? So I could say siga darho yehesheka.
I recommend chicken meat.
Perfect. Yep. Yeah.
Can I try that?
Yeah.
Izzy, sorry. Yeah, Izzy Dadho.
No. Say siga darho.
Oh,
Izzy.
Izzy
Siga.
Siga Dadho Yehesheki.
Yes. Go. Yes, for me.
Uh-huh.
Perfect. That's right.
How do you say perfect?
Nufer.
Nufer.
Or perfect.
Nufer. Nufer.
Like perfect is like bella.
Bella.
Yeah.
Bella.
Bella. It's kind
So
of
beautiful, yeah.
Maybe it's Italian.
It is Italian.
We have a lot of words that I think from Italy.
Yes.
So anyway, so then fish is asa.
Asa. That's easy.
Yeah.
Asa.
Asa. So you can any meat, anything you want, you can say that.
Izzy Asa Yehesheki.
Oh what?
Izzy Asa Yehesheki. I recommend the fish.
Yes.
Can you say Siga Asa? Is it
Yes.
fish meat?
Absolutely. Yeah. You can say waiter. How do you say waiter?
Asela feet.
Asela
Or
feet.
asela feet.
And then order meat. Like what kind of meat do you want?
Asal-
Asalafit.
Asalafit.
Who are you? Ane.
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 Siga.
Siga.
Asa or dorho deli. Which one do you want?
Ane.
Uh-huh.
Siga. Derho.
Deli. Deli means I want. Like.
Delia. So that means I want to order chicken.
Yep.
Ane. Siga. Derho. Delahi.
Deli.
Dele.
Uh-huh.
Dele.
And then I would come and take your order. And then I said, okay, right away. What do you say?
Ya anile.
Like,
Ya anile.
Ganzabka.
Asalafit.
Ganzabka. All right, you guys. So next we're gonna learn how to say this is. I would like to see the menu in English, right? Then in Tigrinya, menu krio midalahu.
Okay. So menu.
Krio.
Hold on. In Tigrinya, menu is menu.
Yeah.
Okay, that's
yeah.
easy. I can do that.
Yeah.
Menu. Menu. Kerio.
Midalahu.
Medeleho.
I would like to see the menu.
Menu. Kerio.
Midalahu.
Medeleho. Menu. Kerio. Medeleho.
Yes. Is that easy? What do you think?
It's not easy. That medeleho is hard. Medeleho.
Midalahu.
Medeleho.
Yeah. A little twist. You have to say khakh. All right, so up next, we're gonna say, what would you like to drink? Intai kitseti tideli.
Intai kitseti mideli.
Tideli.
Tideli. Intai kitseti tideli.
What would you like to drink is intai kitseti tideli.
Okay.
And then you would say, I would like to drink water, right? In Tigrinya, you would say, my midalahu. I would like is, midalahu. So
My is water.
Yeah.
My
Midalahu.
midalahu. My midalahu.
Or you could say,
My moon.
No.
I'm sorry. Moon midalahu.
yes.
Or Shahi midalahu. Or Aranchi midalahu.
How did you?
Coca-Cola midalahu. Yes?
Yes. So you got all this. So midalahu is I would like. So
Okay.
that's kind of good, right?
And kinde.
Kinde means
Kinde.
how much?
Kinde.
How much?
How much? Kinde.
Kinde. So if you're asking a waiter, do you guys have coffee? You would say buna lokumdo. You're asking if they have coffee.
Okay.
So
my alakundo.
So up next, we're gonna say it's very nice or it tastes good. We say in Tigrinya, aziyu tu'um. So tu'um is for everything, right? Azim is very, it's really good. So you can say aziyu tu'um bun. Aziyu tu'um shahi. Aziyu tu'um magbi.
Okay.
Do you get it?
Yes.
Yeah.
So aziu tu'um formaggio.
Exactly. Perfect.
Azium tu'um bun.
What?
Azium.
Aziyu.
Aziu tu'um mai.
Yes.
Azium.
Ziyu.
Aziu tu'um megbi.
Exactly.
Aziu.
Aziyu.
Aziu tu'um durho.
Yes. Your face.
Asalafi.
Amit. Like is this?
Menu kerio merelehu.
Harai.
Ya anyele.
Ganzaku. انت كتساتي تدلي
Buna lakundo.
ولا
Alright.
اوكي
Ya anyele.
ganzabka
Azayu tu'um bun.
طعم هابكا
Asalafi.
أبيت
Mai merelehu.
حرق
Ya anyele.
ganzabka Okay.
Esi apikera resa ia.
Tanka? Defar.
Asalafi.
Abet?
Megbohom turham ladu.
ምግብና ጥዕምወ ተዳ ሓቲትካ
Did I even say it right though?
Yes. I said, of course, our food is good. Why did you ask?
Asalafi.
أبيت
Siga derho madelahu.
حراي قالنا
Injera alakundo.
أو قالنا
Okay, injera madelahu.
حراي
Anile.
جنزبك
Katafene.
وتحلم حاوي تتكنك دورهو
Siga dorho.
أو إنجرة
Oh. Ya anile.
جنزبك كمين يرو مقبي
Aziu tu'um megbi.
واو يغني اللي كوسجو
Kinde.
كندي عسرت قرشي
Okay.
مزعة فدالي خارو
Kinde.
عسرتي
Tisheate.
و أيكون عسرتي
Okay. Venmo.
واو زحوي أي بزح كايو
PayPal.
excuse me
Yeah.
و
No.
أين وسدني ناسو دولار يغني اللي زحوي Alright guys, so this was a fun day. Did you enjoy that?
Yes, I did.
We are gonna finish up. I hope you learned something. So next time you know how to order when you go to Eritrean restaurant or any Habesha restaurant. So we are gonna finish this up and we'll be back every Tuesday bringing you guys a lot of fun things, how to say things in Tigrinya. You learn some stuff.
I'll be fluent pretty soon.
Exactly. You're gonna teach me Tigrinya pretty
That's
soon.
right.
All right,
We're
so
gonna teach our daughter.
oh yeah, Delina will be talking soon too. So we're gonna wrap this up. Thanks so much for watching and hanging out with us. Don't forget to like and subscribe and leave us a comment and whatever you want Robil to learn and or for you guys. Thank you. See you next time. Bye.
Bye.
Ciao.
Ciao.